Letter number 5. To Ash'as ibn Qais, al-Kindi, the governor of Azerbaijan, Iran. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Certainly, your assignment is not a morsel for you, but it is a trust round your neck, and you have been charged with the protection of the people, on behalf of your superiors. It is not for you to be oppressive towards the ruled, nor to risk yourself save on strong grounds. You have in your hands the funds which are the property of Allah, to whom belongs might and majesty, and you hold its charge till you pass it on to me. Probably, I will not be one of the bad rulers for you, and that is an end to the matter.